we chose RQ is the amount of features that we got immediately that our current POS just didn't have is going to make our customer experience vastly different. The problem that we were trying to solve when we chose to go with RQ was really being able to take a step forward for omnichannel. You know, we know the importance of being able to go online, see inventory levels, exactly what I want, and allow a customer to come in. And we knew our customer journey was going to flow that way, and we had to be able to way to solve for that pain point. And being able to go out and do custom work with our previous POS wasn't worthwhile because of, one, the capital expenditure, and then secondly, you lose out on all the other features that's already built. For me personally, the most useful modules is going to be reporting and just access to data. We look at data kind of in two ways for the organization. Tactful data, so anything that's tactical, I'm going to be able to see it, react to it immediately, and go get something done. And then we're going to have something that's going to be predictive. And so being able to use something like BI, get that information and apply that to our data warehouse allows us to be able to take a step forward pretty quickly. The way that we plan for RQ to help us grow is really in three ways. The first one is being able to do things specific to location or region is really unique for your customer. And so now I can create a customer experience for exactly the community in which I'm serving. And we find that to be a part of our brand and who we are in our communities. The second thing that we're focusing on with growth on that is purely just being able to be better business owners as we're going through. The amount of information that can come out of BI is extraordinary, and so we have to harness that and make sure it's value add for us and not just data, and then take that and build strategy from it. And then lastly, I think it's engaging for our employees. When you start to look at POS systems and the fear of that, it can be overwhelming. And so being able to log in for the first time as an employee and feel comfortable with the design of it and being able to navigate, I think makes for better employee engagement. What I would say to anyone that might be looking at RQ is there's such a level of growth and opportunity once you implement. And being able to go through that process, knowing that you're going to be able to move so fast once you're implemented to be able to get there. Otherwise, you're trying to take a current system to make it work. And essentially, it's just going to be piecemealed to something that's not going to meet your needs 5-10 years from now. Whereas being a part of the family now, you're doing so much of that work for us already. And so the forethought is already there, and we can just participate in it. Our employees are really excited about the implementation of RQ primarily for a couple of things. One, it gives so much self-service to the employee. So now they feel in control of understanding their commissions and their payout. The information that's available to them is increased significantly. And I think that's what initially the best experience possible is. Working together with the iQmetrix's team has been a really good experience for us. Everyone's been very personable, wanted to understand how we operate, and then seek out those solutions.